Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and taking immediate action. Back up critical files, then restart the phone to clear transient glitches. Reproduce the delay to observe when it happens. Next, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times. This unlocks controls you'll need. Once done, open developer options and toggle animation scales to 0. 5x. Make sure to note baseline behavior before further changes. This gets you into the diagnostic state quickly, so you can proceed with precise adjustments. Now you diagnose resource and software causes. Use settings to inspect running apps and battery use. Identify any app using excessive CPU, RAM, or wake locks. Once identified, force stop or uninstall the offender and test again. Make sure to reduce UI animations in developer options. Set window, transition, animator scales to 0, 5x or off to cut perceived lag. Also limit background processes to 1 or 2, and disable aggressive battery savers, which can throttle CPU. This balances responsiveness with power consumption. Finish with advanced fixes and a recovery plan if earlier steps fail. Update the OS and all apps. Outdated software often causes latency, so use Play Store and system updates. If lag persists, boot to safe mode to isolate third-party apps. If smooth there, uninstall recent installs. As a final step, perform a factory reset only after backing up. This removes persistent software corruption. If problems continue after reset, consider hardware issues, check digitizer/cable, or seek repair. One tip: safe mode narrows software versus hardware fault.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.